We'll guide you through how to fix your TV remote not working, and this video should apply to all remotes. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Just a quick note, the methods in this video may not work for everybody, but I've made them as broad as possible and hopefully they will, and they're worth giving a go. So this video is also going to cover if the remote is completely dead and unresponsive, if some buttons work and some don't, or maybe there's some sort of problem where it's just spamming one button on your TV. The methods in this video should go and fix it. If your TV remote is completely dead and unresponsive, then do try replacing the batteries, as that may be the problem. So take off the back and you may need to go and hold down a button and slide, and then it should lift off. You can try replacing the batteries and go and see if that fixes your problem. If that doesn't work though, or you're pretty sure it's not a problem with the batteries, then let's get into the next fix. And for that, we do need to go and take the cover off, and then you need to go and take the batteries out. So all you need to do is go and remove them, just like so, and do both of them if there are multiple. And now what you want to do is come onto the front of the remote, and you want to go and hold the power button down for 60 seconds or a minute. This is just going to go and drain all the power out of the remote. After that time has passed, then go and let go. And now what we're going to do is go through each button on the remote and go and press it a couple of times. So all you want to do is go and start pressing them, just like so. So what this is going to do is just make sure they're all free, make sure none of them are stuck down. Also, if there's any dust or debris in them, it's also going to hopefully try and loosen that and remove it, because if a button is being stuck down or partially stuck down, that can go and stop it from working. So just do that for all of the different buttons. After you've done that, then what you want to do is just give it a shake as well, in case there's anything sort of in the button still, which you want to go and remove, which could be causing a problem. And you can also try giving it like a gentle tap like so. Don't go and hit it super hard against something hard, just use your palm, so then it's not going to be that hard. And that's just going to make sure anything's loosened and hopefully removed. And then what you want to do is go and put the batteries back in. Of course, make sure you put them in the right way, as that may be causing the problem, just like so. And then before you put the cover on, I'd just go and test it. So go and try it on your TV and go and see if it works. If it still isn't working, then what you want to do is try repeating the steps, take out the batteries, press all the buttons, give it a shake, give it a light tap, not too hard of course, and go and see if that fixes your problem.